video tutorial, we will show you how to enter a sale on Xcira's community platform. First, log in with your email address and password. If you need help registering or resetting your password, please navigate to the appropriate tutorial and complete that first. After you log in, you will be on the auction calendar page. This page shows you all the auctions occurring on the platform, arranged by date. Navigate to the auction you would like to attend. Please note that an auction that is occurring today will be located at the top of the list. Once you find your desired auction, click the button that says Sales. This will direct you to a new page that shows the various listings occurring in that particular auction. Navigate to your desired sale and click the button that reads Join Auction. Find the lane you would like to enter and select Register Paddles or Badges in the button menu for that lane. Agree to the terms and conditions of the sale. A button should then appear that reads Attend. Click this button. If you have multiple dealerships associated with your account, you will be prompted to select which one or ones you will be using for buying in this sale. After that, you will be brought to a page to select your bidder interface. If you are using any device other than a standard size computer, we strongly recommend choosing the responsive one. You will then be brought into the sale. When the sale is live, bidding will be enabled and the live simulcast stream will appear. If you are unable to get approved to join the auction, or you find that you have no credit limit, please call the auction house. They handle all of their own approval and credit issues.